What's up you guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video let's take a look at Palantir stock. So I'll take you over my position update that I have because I have a short position on this, and if you want to know more about the background, how I opened this short position, just go to my channel, type in the search of my channel Palantir stock. It will give you the playlist of Palantir and you can follow the sequence there. And we'll also talk about in this video on what is the price target going into this next week that I'm looking at, and if is somewhere can this thing be bought again. We'll take a look at all those possibilities in this video. So with that, please hit the like and subscribe, and also please note none of this is any financial advice. This is only for education purposes. You're solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes. So all right, so guys, this is the short position that I opened back here. That's been now like 4th of April. So I'm holding this for close to now 3 weeks, but it's giving me a lot of money. Why should I be bothered? No, I'm not bothered, right? So Palantir is below 20 and 50 days moving average, and if I take you to the hourly interval real quick, I would highly suggest you check out my video that I did back then, my entry process into it. And so this is the good spike I got into back into it again, and then I was able to on the 5 minutes, if again check out that video on my channel, but I got a good entry here, and then since then I have been holding it. I have been sizing out at the significant levels. You can see those black dashed line, those are part of my indicator. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. I have 2 indicators, 2 trading bots, and Wall Street alerts. So yeah, so I have been still holding this short position, taking some partial profits out at the significant levels, and rest of the position I'm still carrying, and this is now at $20.29. Now very quickly, for the weekly update, right, well for the weekly price target where it could be, I won't be surprised if this thing comes to this 200 days moving average. So there's still more room for it to fall, maybe to $19, and then we will start to take a look at what if the price action is telling us if it's going to turn bullish. So this is, again, it's not that it's time to buy as soon as it hits 200 days moving average. It's just that we have to see at this level if the price would show us some consolidation, some support, some break of the structure that I'll talk about if I see it. Right now what I'm seeing on Palantir, that it is continuously in the downtrend, lower highs, lower lows, right? We also have on Palantir this head and shoulder formed right over here. So that's also is part of this to go lower and lower. All in all, guys, overall market has been selling off. You can see what a deep red the market is in, especially QQQ and SPY. Look at it, QQQ, SPY. I'll talk about it in other videos, but just want to show you how badly things are selling off. So sorry, let's go back to the Palantir, and yeah, so price target remains $19 around, and we'll be seeing 200 days moving average then over there. If I go to the hourly interval, and am I seeing any structure right now forming bullishness? Let's take a look at that. So actually I am not. I think this will continue lower. Yes, rebounds may come, but rebound all the way to the level of $20.71 and or $20.96 is still just a rebound in the downtrend, and this thing still has a room to continue lower. If it continues lower again, let's say, and it finds support at $20.24, let's say, if you say that, oh well, what if it becomes bullish next week? So for that we have to see a couple of days of price action and a double bottom form of some sort, and then a break of structure above, let's say in this particular case where the price is right now $20.71. However, if we fail to make this double bottom here and this thing makes another leg down, then a price structure change is completely different. We'll have to take a look at, okay, what is the next level it has to break before it starts to become bullish again, right? But so far it's not bullish, guys. Don't just go and buy the dip. You have to see the structure change happening first, and I'm not seeing any of that. And just because market is selling off, I won't be surprised if we are coming down to $19. That's where our 200 days moving averages and also next significant level is. It's a very small short update. I just wanted to provide you right off the gate what I'm expecting out of Palantir. This is a wait and hold on the short. Well, when I say hold, I mean if you already have a short position, great. Like I have a short position, so I'm still gonna continue holding that. So I'm as you know, I'm sizing out in partial profits. But yes, I'm planning to continue to hold. I'm not planning to fully get out of this position because we are still in the downtrend. Okay, that's a quick update. I want to do this new format of the videos where some of these stocks, which are just position updates and real quick, I just want to wrap them up real quickly as well, so that it's the best value for the time as well for everyone. All right, guys, that's all for this video. I'll see you in my next videos. All right, guys, take care. Bye. And if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below this video. Bye.